Hey you guys, I know it's been a long time since you've seen me and my new room. I owe you a tour, but before all of that, I have to update you where I've been, why you haven't seen enough of me lately, and today we're going to a nursery which is a little far away from home, and it's a wholesale nursery, so it'll also be a vlog and I will update you. It's just a little bit of everything in this video. Let's go, let's get ready. I'm ready and this is what I look like. This is my outfit. Always wear dirty shoes to the nursery, people. Now let's go fast because my mom is already threatened to leave me behind. तो So we're at the first nursery. That's the board. Says Prince Nursery. And let's see what we have here. Oh, so cute! So many little planties. So nice. Wow, man. I absolutely love nurseries. Look at those saplings. मम्मी एक्साइटमेंट दिखाओ अपनी शक्ल पे जरा मुझे. क्या मम्मी क्या कह रही थी? अगर आपको पता होता मैं वीडियो बनाने वाला तो आप तैयार हो क्या आती? Guys, look at the luscious green plants. So good and so cute. There's so many. Huge nursery. This is the biggest nursery we've seen, and the game for me today is how many plants I can recognize. How many plants that I want I can recognize and find here. Stella palms, you guys, beautiful, so beautiful, so luscious and green. Oh my god, I can live here. I would happily do a free internship at a nursery. Oh my god. Look at this beautiful silver plant. Now I don't remember the name of the plant. I'll tell you a cool trick to figure out which plant you're looking at if you want to know more about it and if it's going to be able to survive in your environment. Hop on to Google search on your phone. You can see a camera button on the right side. Click on it. This will allow you to search with your camera. Now go on and take a picture of the plant that you want to know more about. Tap on it and click the shutter button at the bottom. Now you can see results. If you pull up the screen, you can know all you want to know about the plant. My mom has shopped already. I just picked this one up. Just exploring. My mom was shopping, like hardcore shopping. The fact that we're walking back with a cart full of plants should tell you that it was a good nursery. I will leave a link of the location of Prince Nursery in the description if you want to visit it for a day of fun with your parents. Yeah. ये तो अभी पहली नर्सरी है पापा, और नहीं तो क्या रोज रोज थोड़ी आएंगे यहाँ पे. कि आपको नर्सरी कैसी लगी? आप इतनी नर्सरी
अच्छी थी,
बहुत बड़ी थी,
अच्छी थी, पर अभी मैं जिस हिसाब से सोच रही थी उतना मुझे कुछ नहीं देखने को मिला.
पापा हाँ नहीं, मेरे को भी नहीं मिला. फैंसी पॉट्स नहीं थे, बट उसके बाद
में भी वैरायटी अभी उतनी नहीं जो इस समय है मार्केट में, उतना नहीं देखे. इतना तो हमारे घर के पीछे बहुत है.
आगे हमें वैरायटी मिल जाए. पर वैसे मैं कह रही हूँ कि आपको प्राइजेस वाइज कैसा लगा?
हाँ, प्राइजेस वाइज सही लगा,
काफी सही थी. कल मेरे पेरेंट्स की 26th एनिवर्सरी थी, ऐसे सेलिब्रेट हो रही है.
हाँ, किसने
बता रही है फोन
पे बता रही है, कैमरे पे. हाँ. What is the secret to a long happy marriage? आपके हिसाब से?
पेशेंस।
पेशेंस नहीं, झूठ है ये सब। मैं बोलूँ मुझे नर्सरी ले चलो अगर 1 घंटे दूर, तो मुझे नर्सरी ले चलो 1 घंटे दूर। ये है सीक्रेट गाइस।
हाँ, एक दूसरे का वो तो रखना ही पड़ता है।
Okay, we're here guys. It is huge. It's like a garden. मम्मी कितनी बड़ी है। ओ मम्मी ये देखो, मम्मी ये देखो।
हाँ, ऐसे ही तो लोग बनाते हैं। ये हमारी जो जड़ें फैल रही हैं।
मम्मी ये लेके जाएंगे ये। In my opinion, this nursery is much bigger, much more beautiful, has more variety. See it for yourself. और ये कितने का है? 1.5 लाख का है। ओ भाई सही में क्या पौधा है यार। ये छोटे वाले बॉन्साई कितने के हैं?
300 का ये रखा है ऊपर, ये 800 का।
ये नीचे वाला? अच्छा। I bought my second plant in the cart. इतने छोटे में आ जाता है, देखो यहाँ दिख रहा है, ये देखो आ जाता है।
फिर इसमें निकाल के देखते हो आप?
निकाल लेते हैं। हाँ, इसमें निकाल के स्क्रीन तो कोई भी हो इसमें आता अच्छा है, लेकिन जब बड़े में देखोगे तो और अच्छा दिखेगा, है ना? Look at this beauty, it's gonna go in my drawing room. This is the third nursery that we're at. If you want, you can note down those numbers. Oh man, look at these mini cactuses. So cute. Cactus है ये. Orange है इसकी leaf पे. Orange.
कितने का पूछो? ये लेंगे।
आप पूछो. I'm finding some plants finally, which I wanted to add to my collection, such as ivy. See? Let me show you. Let me get you a better look at this. Check this out. This is the leaf structure. This is what the leaf is like. Look at the triangular shape. It's so weird, but it's so cute. And I think I'm gonna get this. And this big plant here, it's huge. Okay, look at the plant. It's huge and it's healthy. And this is just for $60. Look at the real size of the plant. Just for $60, you guys. And here is a mini version of Syngonium, which we're gonna get. Look at that. So cute. I see some nice small plants over here, and my mother is also here. क्या मम्मी क्या ढूंढ रही हूँ?
पिंक सिम्बोनियम।
हाँ अच्छा, यहाँ पे छुटकू पौधे हैं।
ये देखो सुनी जो है।
एंजॉय तो बहुत हो गया। अब 3 पॉट्स में है हमारे पास।
मैं नहीं ले रही, मैं।
हाँ, पापा फोटो खींच रहे हैं। खड़ी रहो ना, पापा फोटो खींच रहे हैं हमारी।
भैया ये इसमें फंसा हुआ है, मुझे ये कलर अच्छा लग रहा है। और ऐसे पौधे
देख तो रही हूँ यार।
ऐसे ये वाली।
ये देखो, ये टाइमर लगा के खींच रहे हैं।
और ये फेरी वाले।
I'm sure you remember the last plant I picked up, the tall one on the moss stick. So that's a philodendron, but I'm looking for philodendron Brazil. It has these beautiful variegation, like the color is yellow and green and it's beautiful, and I can't find it anywhere. उधर से खींचो, वहां से सनलाइट आ रही है।
नहीं बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है।
काला नहीं आ रहा?
नहीं, चलो अब इधर से खींचो। हाँ इधर से बढ़िया। ओह जबरदस्त। ग्रीन के साथ खींचे, मजा आ जाएगा। ओहो जबरदस्त।
मैं भी
आ गई तुम्हारे साथ।
ओहो, मेरी सिर्फ मेरी थी ना पापा, ऐसे थोड़ी करते हैं। It's a great day to be out and about in a nursery. Just look at the weather, beautiful. What a day. Next, we're gonna go to that nursery. I had to take a snap of me with that big tall tree. So good. Makes me feel like I'm in Goa. No one can tell. Can you? No, you cannot. What a day. What a beautiful weather. Nice day to be vlogging. And I feel good. I mean, I was kind of nervous initially, but whoa, this feels great. Guys, look at this beautiful flower
अभी भारत बाकी है ना
coming from this weird plant, which we'll figure out what it is, but it's beautiful.
मेरे हिसाब से लगा लो
अभी ये guys जाना है गाड़ी में सब. My dad doesn't plan on taking me home today. मेरी सीट भर ली है पापा ने पौधों से.
उनको मिला पौधा कोई चलो ना पे
मैं बता रही हूँ एक ये लो रुको रुको ये मत ये ऑरेंज
ऑरेंज ले लो उठाओ 4 ले लो पौधे
चेंज मत करो, इतना बड़ा घर है यार, चल जाएगा. 40 रुपए का एक ले लो.
यार चलो इतना बढ़िया मैंने पौधा निकाला
निकालो निकालो.
आ जाओ अब 4 पौधे हो गए आ जाओ अब गाड़ी में जगह
सुंदर लग रहे हैं.
गाड़ी में जगह नहीं बता रहा हूँ मैं जल्दी आ जाओ
So we're back at Prince Nursery because we wanted to buy some plastic pots, and these people were selling the smallest one for like 5 rupees a pot, which is really cheap. So let's go. आगे
गमले में नीचे सब जगह वाइट ही रखते
चलो वाइट रख लेंगे.
हैं। एक जैसी
मम्मी इससे छोटी नहीं है, यही है.
है ही नहीं इनके यहाँ नहीं तो कहीं और देखे
नहीं यही ले लो यार. Mom bought seedlings for like saplings, like the small plant, for as low as 5 rupees, 10, 20, 15. Then we bought the bigger plants starting from 50-60 rupees, which is a great deal, and you get just the double amount in Gurgaon. Now the question is, should you make the trip from Gurgaon to Bilaspur Pataudi Road for these nurseries? Sure. Are you as crazy for plants as me and my mom are? Then you should. So we're back home, and I've already organized some of the plants up here. You can see over there that I kept my Brazil philodendron and the other philodendron over there with the palm. And the rubber plant I took there. There's a succulent there. And the pots are still in that carton. I don't think it'll be fair to end this video without showing you our balcony so you can understand just how much my mom loves plants. So let's go. This is our living room, and just look at these happy plants. The syngoniums are really happy here and big. And let me show you the balcony now. This is our balcony, people. This is where I sit for my cup of coffee. And then we have Momo here. Hello. And we have plants hanging. Over here we have a plant stand which has more hanging plants. Excuse the mess, you guys. And then over here we have more plants. Can you see that? These are gonna come down. We're gonna get extension chains for them. And then we have a rack here which has even more plants. So we like have enough. And then we still got all the plants that you saw. So yeah. Do you like plants as much as we like plants? Then definitely go make a day of it. It's a nice way to spend some family time. I had a lot of fun. It only took us 4 hours, including going back and forth, which was 1 hour each, and we spent 2 hours there, and by that time our car was full, so we couldn't buy anything else. So yeah, we're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got something out of it, and I will link the location down below in the description box with the names of the nurseries that we visited. Hey, so I'm editing the video right now, and I realized that I never updated you on why you didn't see me for 2 months. Now, The truth is, I don't really know. A lot of things were going on at home. There were renovations, everything was here and there, everything was dusty for like 2 months. We were living in very weird conditions at home, and I was mentally all over the place. So I took a real break. I did lose every bit of self confidence during the last 2 months, and I felt very isolated and lonely, and damn, it was dark. And I'm still not sure if I'm completely out of it, but I'm taking it one day at a time. I know it happens to everybody. We all have those thoughts, and if we listen to those thoughts, it can get really dark really quickly. That's what happened. I had time on my hands because I had taken a break. Everything was here and there, and I was feeling mentally cluttered. And I listened to that clutter, and that was a mistake. But I'm getting better now. I feel like I'm gaining back that confidence. I felt joy after a long time when I made this video and during editing this video, which I was feeling detached from. So thank you. I still don't know what I'm doing with YouTube and my life in general. I do not want to call it a quarter life crisis. I swear to God, if anybody says that. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy the other videos that I'm gonna make. I'm gonna do a home tour very soon, so stay tuned for that.